Welcome to Stoney Creek, one of the most popular communities. My clients are choosing to move here in Hamilton. Now, why is that? Well, from the amazing parks, as you have waterfront parks on the north end, to Niagara Escarpment trails to explore on the south end, but also to the shopping options, as you'll find a mall with more than 100 name brand stores to choose from, to a charming downtown area in Stoney Creek with many local gems to explore. If you're interested in my favorite burger, keep on watching. Otherwise, you'll also find some great schools, all just a short walk away from many homes. And then as for the real estate, you're gonna find a diverse amount of options to choose from. Not only different detached home styles, but as well as a variety of townhomes and condos to choose from. So in a moment, we're gonna be touring this detached home behind me, but as well as a stunning brand new corner unit condo. So let's go take a look at everything you need to know about living in Stoney Creek. Alright, so where Stoney Creek is located on the map is right here on the eastern side. And over the recent years, a lot of my clients have been absolutely loving calling Stoney Creek home, and a lot more families have been relocating there. Now, with that said, Stoney Creek, because of a lot of its expansion, has expanded out to Monona over here, the Stoney Creek Mountain over here. But in today's video, we're going to be focusing on the central part of Stoney Creek, the original part that made up it. Now, this part here gives you great and easy access to the QEW, with about an hour drive out to Toronto, but as well an hour drive out to Niagara Falls and the US border. Now, if you want to learn everything about what it's like living in Stoney Creek and everything you need to know about Stoney Creek's map, make sure to keep on watching, as we'll be breaking down that and more. But if you're new here and want to learn everything about what it's like living in Hamilton and the surrounding cities, my name's Matthew, the founding realtor of the Living in Hamilton team and channel, and we've been helping people just like yourselves relocate here and buy a home. So if you're thinking about making the move, whether it's in 60 days or in 6 months, send me and my team a message today. Otherwise, let's go take a look at some amazing shopping options you're gonna find in Stoney Creek. So here we are at the main shopping mall in Stoney Creek, Eastgate Mall, with more than 100 name brands stores for you to shop at. But you're also gonna be finding a large transit terminal, and in the coming years, lots of growth, as the LRT network will be ending at this mall here and easily taking you across Hamilton all the way out to McMaster University. But then on top of that, they're going to be adding up to 5,000 new residential units that you and your family could move into if you're interested in moving to Stoney Creek in the next coming years. And then other shopping options you're going to be finding within Stoney Creek are either going to be on two major roads. You have Highway 8 and Centennial. That's where you're going to find all the major shopping options, and the intersection of those two roads is where Eastgate Square Mall is. Now, if you're interested in more local businesses, then you need to check out Stoney Creek's downtown area. It's a small historic strip just on King Street with many local businesses to choose from, as you have the Village, which has been a community staple since the 1970s, to the Flames, to imagine a great Indian food, to the penalty box to grab a beer and enjoy a game, to Chef Martin's Sushi House, and so much more. So if you want to learn my #1 spot to grab a burger here, make sure you keep on watching. But then also you'll find a farmer's market happening here every single Wednesday from 4 to 7 in the warmer months to pick up a fresh baked good, the amazing produce that is locally farmed, but as well as just support local businesses. And then also in the downtown area, you're going to find many different events happening year around, whether that's Jazz in the Creek, to Strawberry Fest, to the Boots in the Creek, or the Santa Claus Parade. I know so many kids enjoy, but then your kids will also enjoy some amazing parks. So here we are standing in Confederation Park. This is the best waterfront park in Stoney Creek, as not only we have Wild Waterworks, that is an amazing water park, but then you also have Adventure Village, where you can find batting cages, a mini putt course, bumper cars, and a bunch more fun for the kids of all ages. But then also in Stoney Creek, you're gonna find the Red Hill Trail, which is going to offer an amazing hike that will take you up to Albion Falls and beyond. But you'll also have another great hike right on the south end in the Devil's Punch Bowl, where you can either drive up to the mountain and start with some stunning views, or hike from the bottom and the base of the waterfall. But then you'll also find Green Acres Park to go for a nice short walk in a park, but also for your kids to play soccer, baseball, as there's many sports fields in this park here, as well as an amazing outdoor pool
and splash pad. Then another great spot to cool off on a summer day will be all the small public beaches along Stoney Creek's waterfront. And then within Stoney Creek, you'll also notice a variety of community centers, ice rinks, and public libraries throughout. One of the more notable ones would be the Stoney Creek Recreation Center, pool, and arena. And then as for golf courses, you're gonna find the King Forest Golf Club as well as Glendale. And then close by all these amazing parks, you're gonna find some amazing schools like the one behind me. As in total in Stoney Creek, you're gonna find 14 different elementary schools, some public, some Catholic, but they're all offering English, French, and some gifted streams. And then as for high schools, you're gonna find 4 of them in Stoney Creek, which are 2 public, 1 Catholic, and 1 Christian. So now that you know the general school breakdown, if you want to learn more, go check out the Fraser Institute rankings for the Ontario Standardized Provincial Test. Otherwise, let's take a look now at the real estate breakdown in Stoney Creek. And the most common will be detached homes, as this made up 57% of these sales in the past 12 months, typically selling anywhere from $650,000 up to $1.2 million. And here you're gonna find a vast selection of different styles to choose from, built in different time periods. As at the beginning, in the core of Stoney Creek, you can find some of those bungalows and side splits and back splits that were really built anywhere from the 40s up until the 70s and 80s. And then you will find some brand new 2-story homes like the one behind me here, as well as even larger ones that have a double car garage, selling closer to that $1 million mark. So if you want to learn everything about the different real estate options and exactly what this home behind me looks like, keep on watching. But then as for townhomes, this made up 18% of the sales in the past 12 months, typically selling anywhere from $500,000 to $900,000, usually offering 3 beds and 2 to 3 bathrooms. Now, the vast majority of townhomes in Stoney Creek will be condo townhomes. However, you can find some great freehold ones close by the waters, like the ones behind me here. Now, as for condos, this made up 25% of the real estate sales and typically sell between $400,000 and $600,000, usually offering 1 to 2 beds and 1 to 2 bathrooms. Now, where you're gonna find the majority of condos are either gonna be on Highway 8, this road here, or right beside Lake Ontario with some spectacular waterfront views. Now, the majority of condo apartments usually gonna have a fee of a monthly maintenance fee between $500,000 and $900,000. So if you're interested in learning exactly what you can get in Stoney Creek, send me and my team a message today. Otherwise, let's go take a look at this beautiful corner unit condo in this building behind me here. Welcome to Unit 717 in 121 Highway 8. This stunning corner unit, which offers 1+1 beds and 1 bathrooms with premium upgrades throughout. And as you walk on in to your open concept living room and kitchen, the very first thing you're gonna notice is the wraparound views of both the Niagara Escarpment, but also the Hamilton Harbor, where you can head out onto your balcony and enjoy an amazing meal, whether it's the sunrise or the sunset. And you're gonna be finding that perfect kitchen to create that meal with an oversized quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, and just ample sunlight. And then when you're ready to hit the hay, you have an absolutely amazing master bedroom, easily able to fit a king size bed. And right beside that, you're gonna find a 3-piece bathroom with a glass shower. And then when it's time to get some work done, you have the perfect setup in your den to easily have an amazing work day while also getting some laundry done, as that's where you're gonna find your in-suite laundry. And this condo is located absolutely perfect, as it's right on Highway 8, and just across the street, you have many different shopping options to choose from to get all your basic amenities done. So if you want to check out this condo or other ones similar, send me and my team a message today. Otherwise, let's jump on the map and give you a lay of the land of everything you need to know before moving here.
All right, guys, so here is Stoney Creek on the map. Now, everything you need to know, first and foremost, is the major roadways. You have the QEW running right along basically the waterfront of Stoney Creek and goes to the Skyway right here, but it also connects you out to the Red Hill Park Valley to take you to the Hamilton Mountain, but also to the 403 West. Now, one of the things I will say about commuting here on a regular basis, my clients like it as because once you get off the highway on the QEW, you're basically right at home. However, with that said, there are times that it can get backed up, especially along the Skyway right here. Now, when you're living within Stoney Creek central area, there's really 2 major roads you want to be aware of. The first road is Highway 8, or more specifically, Main Street is the way I like to call it right here. And then you have Centennial that turns into Upper Centennial right here. Here is actually where you're going to find the most amount of shopping options to choose from. If we click this on, as you can see, lots of plazas to choose from, especially at their intersection. Right here is where you're going to find that main shopping mall, Eastgate Square, right there as well. But then just a bunch of other shopping options. And if you want to travel outside of it, you're going to find some more options on the Stoney Creek Mountain to get your shopping done. Or also you can head into the central part in downtown Hamilton to find all the great restaurants, craft breweries that you're going to find and access when living in Hamilton. In terms of where the parks are, as you can see, they're kind of scattered throughout. However, the most notable parks will definitely be right along the Hamilton Escarpment. You can actually drive along this road called the Ridge Road right here. It's got beautiful views of basically just central Stoney Creek, and you can arrive at the Devil's Punch Bowl. You can start at the top with some spectacular views, or you can also hike your way up a little bit harder when you're walking up the escarpment versus driving up it, but two great options to choose from. And then a bunch of different neighborhood parks. One in particular, you got the Stoney Creek Recreation Center that also has a pool, but also an ice rink. And you're gonna find a few of those throughout, as well as a few different libraries as well. And then in terms of where the schools are gonna be located, as you can see, they are pretty much throughout the central part of Stoney Creek. Now, with that said, you aren't going to find really anything that's south of Barton. There's a lot of this in between, like Barton Street to the QEW is going to be more industrial areas. Tends to be a bit more schooling, and they tend to be a bit better too along Highway 8, closer to the escarpment as well. You got Orchard Park Secondary School, one of the great schools that's been rated highly on the Fraser Institute in past years. But then as well, just a variety of great elementary schools to choose from as well. And then in terms of public transit, you do have one GO bus stop right now, Confederation GO. They're currently working to make this a GO train stop to have more regular services. However, this was supposed to open up a couple years ago. It's still under construction. It'll soon hopefully be open before you move to Stoney Creek, but you never know. So as soon as that's done, you'll be able to access that as well. So now that you have the lay of the land of the different Stoney Creek areas, here is my favorite local gems you need to check out. So we've already checked out Memphis Fire Barbecue when we were out in Winona, but one of the areas that you absolutely need to check out is the Powerhouse, but also you need to check out the Village Restaurant. And actually the number one pizza seller, at least in Stoney Creek, is Roma Bakery. You'll find these in all the local grocery stores. The Roma pizza is basically like a tomato pizza, very unique and native, and was the original founder right here at this location. So great little piece of also history in Stoney Creek. Now, if you want to learn my favorite spot to grab a burger, make sure you keep on watching. But first, let's go take a look at that beautiful detached home.
All right, guys, so welcome to 36 Tidemore Heights. This is a beautiful detached home that's been renovated from top to bottom, offering 3 beds and 3.5 bathrooms. So come on in and take a look. All right, guys, so as you walk in, you're gonna first be noticed your just open concept dining room, living room, and kitchen. And you'll be noticed the very first thing, it's been completely renovated. As you can see, quartz countertops, you got the stainless steel appliances, an amazing, absolutely gas range stove for you to use. And then when you're ready to kick back and relax, you can either enjoy it in your backyard, but you're also just a short walk away from Lake Ontario. Then upstairs, you can find an additional 3 bedrooms, 2 perfect for any kids' rooms, as well as a master bedroom that has a stunning walk-in ensuite bathroom, as well as a complete finished basement downstairs, perfect for a home office or any movie nights. So now that you've learned all the amazing things about this home here, let's go take a look at what the transit scores are like when living in Stoney Creek.
So the overall transit score in Stoney Creek was rated a 62 compared to Hamilton's average of 50. Now this score is going to widely vary, as if you're living close to Eastgate Square Mall and one of those brand new units that might be built, or a detached home just a short walk away, this score is going to be much higher, as this is where you're going to be able to walk to all the shops and restaurants you could ever need. However, if you spread closer to the Escarpment or closer to the QEW, or maybe you're on the other side, right bordering Lake Ontario, these areas here are going to have some great quiet streets to walk the dog. However, not going to be the most walkable in terms of finding restaurants and finding shopping options, and you're going to be oftentimes relying on a car to get those basic amenities. And then in terms of public transit, this was rated a 45, and that's right on the money with Hamilton's average of 45, as here is going to be pretty good to get a decent amount around, especially if you're living around that transit hub of Eastgate Square. And as soon as as the LRT line comes in, this score will only improve. And then in terms of the bike score, this was rated a 47. However, this is lower than Hamilton's average. And the reason why this is there's not many biking trails here in Stoney Creek. You're mainly going to be biking on a bike lane that's on a major line, or also just in the quiet neighborhood streets. So now that you understand the different transit scores, let's go take a look at my favorite place to grab a burger here.
Alrighty guys, so I'm about to let you in on a huge secret on where the best burger is in Stoney Creek, and it's behind me here at the Powerhouse. Now this structure was originally the Powerhouse for Stoney Creek and is now an amazing restaurant. So let's go on in and take a look.
Alrighty guys, so now you know where the best burger is in all of Stoney Creek. If you're looking to learn more about another community in Stoney Creek, the next video I'd recommend you go take a look at is my video covering everything you need to know before moving to Winona. So you can find that video right here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day.